Okay, so now next we will do the mandala offering. And so mandala offering is always a very effective ritual in the Tibetan Buddhist practice. Even though it is just a very short ritual, and mandala can be actually extended into many different ways of doing a mandala offering. There are like a different kind of 36 offering of the mandala, and then 20 something offering. So then there's like a very long version, medium version, short version. So this is actually one of the short version of the mandala offering. It is why it is very effective. Actually, is mandala actually means kilkor. Kilkor means kil means center, kor means circle. So circle of the center. So what is it is referring to is what is the center of the circle is actually is the universe. Mandala means in a way, and another meaning is universe. So when we are making offering of the universe, so that's what it is saying. So making the offering of the universe, and so we have a mudra, we have a gesture of offering the mandala, which is actually goes like this, like you put your two little finger cross like this, then pull the two little finger with your thumb like each other like that, and then ring finger like put it upright like this, like facing back to each other, and then automatically your middle finger get crossed like this, right? And then when it cross like this, with the two index finger pull it. Yeah, if it is you're doing first it is kind of a little uncomfortable. But it's just kind of like if you want to learn, so it is just like this, okay? Yeah, and then put your hand flat like this, like that. Pull it from inside, not from outside, like this, like that, and then two ring finger, like put it, make it up, like standing up, ring finger. When your finger crisscross, then sometimes you don't know which finger. And then two middle finger, cross like this, and then pull it. So this is actually the, so this is, the mudra of the mandala. So actually, what is this, the significance of this is actually the middle one that is standing is, we call, this is the mountain, the king of the mountain, Mount Meru. And then this four is it is like a four continent, or like the four, like a four continent from the mandala point of view. And then, two of these fingers, like the sun and moon. And then, these are just like, what do you call, flowers and incense that, so it is just a symbolic meaning, So what it is really saying is we are bringing it, this is saying this is my universe. So this is like you're bringing your universe in your own palm. And then when you are like reciting this, so the ground is filled with like flowers and sprayed with all the beautiful smells and rerubbling she. So then Mount Meru and four continent, sun, moon, and everything is here. This is my world. This is my universe, it is saying. So I want to make this offering, the offering of my universe, offering of my world, into the state of enlightenment. So that I will let go of this my world and offer it to the state of enlightenment. May all the sentient being, may all sentient being reach the state of pure enlightened state. So that is the the verse that you are saying. So in this practice, what you're actually doing is you are letting go of attachment. You're letting go of attachment to your own world. So it's a simple practice, yet it is, very, I think, even though just for 1 second, if we can let go of attachment to our own world, I think, actually that's a pretty courageous things to do, I think, right? Many times, we are so attached to our own world, our own universe, right? This is my universe, and this is my world. And by actually feeling attachment to our own world, it doesn't do anything good. But, actually it doesn't do anything good. And again, what it will do is actually it pollute our universe with our attachment. So it is like we apply our attachment to our world, and so we make our own universe and our own world, messy, a lot of mess, with our attachment, with our, with our afflictive, afflictions, with our delusion, with our own negativity. So that is why, just for a few seconds, if you, simply let go of this attachment to your own universe and just making this offering to the state of enlightenment, and then bringing the transformation in our own universe, I think that's a great ritual. That's a great, letting go ritual. So that is why mandala offering is a very, very profound and very effective. So, and that is why it says that, even just by doing one mandala offering, is so many benefits. It is just like, accumulating so many merits, in our consciousness. So that is why, every workshop, every teaching, we do the mandala offering, and sometimes, practitioner who actually do like a commitment to go for a long retreat, they actually accumulate like 100,000 mandala offering, things like that. Like, there are few sets of 100,000, like people do 100,000 prostration, people do 100,000 mandala offering, 100,000 vajrasattva, those kind of like practice is, mainly it is not, it's, number is just relatively, we put it there, it's not the most important one, but like why we actually make this practice very important is in some level, yes, it does, change. It does bring some transformation. So that is, so one of the practices called the mandala offering. So I'm just kind of, giving you a side track information about the mandala. Okay, so if everybody is ready, let us do the mandala offering. Idamam Guru Radna Mandala Kane Reyatayami.